What if the foods you were told to avoid shrimp, lobster, oysters, mussels, and crab were actually powerful allies for steady blood sugar, calmer inflammation, stronger nerves, and a healthier heart and kidneys? In this episode, you'll discover 5 shellfish that are naturally low in carbohydrates, rich in protein and minerals, and surprisingly budget-friendly. You'll learn how each one supports insulin sensitivity, which nutrients protect your nerves and eyes, the safest ways to buy and cook them, and simple pairings that keep your glucose curve smooth. Stay with me to the end for a 7-day shellfish plan and quick answers to the most common questions. This video is educational and not medical advice. If you use insulin or medicines that can cause low blood sugar, talk with your healthcare professional before making changes. Shellfish shrimp is nearly zero carbohydrate, so it has no direct glycemic impact. A 3-ounce cooked serving gives roughly 20 grams of complete protein for only about 80 to 90 calories. That protein slows digestion, flattens post-meal glucose, and helps maintain lean muscle, the biggest natural sink for blood sugar. Shrimp also brings selenium for antioxidant protection, vitamin B12 for nerve health, choline for liver and brain function, and a natural red pigment called astaxanthine that supports blood vessels, eyes, and nerves. Cholesterol in food does not raise blood cholesterol for most people when the overall diet is balanced. The bigger risk is preparation. Keep it simple. Grill, boil, or saute in olive oil with lemon, garlic, and herbs. Watch sodium in pre-brined or pre-cooked brands. A sensible portion is 3 to 4 ounces, about 7 to 9 medium shrimps, served with non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, zucchini, spinach, or a big green salad. Mussels mussels are metabolic gold. A 3-ounce serving brings about 20 grams of protein with only a few grams of net carbs. They're packed with vitamin B12 for nerves and energy, iron and zinc for oxygen delivery and wound healing, selenium for antioxidant defense, and meaningful omega-3 fats that lower triglycerides and calm inflammation. Mussels also contain taurine, an amino acid that supports glucose metabolism, blood pressure, and nerve protection. Steam fresh or frozen mussels with garlic, parsley, and lemon. Serve over cauliflower rice or spiralized zucchini. Keep sauces light and avoid breaded coatings and sugary broths. Portion: 3 to 4 ounces, or about 1 generous bowl of steamed mussels. Lobster is a lean, low-carb, high-protein option that feels luxurious but works hard for glucose control. 3 ounces provide about 17 grams of protein with almost no carbohydrates. Lobster is rich in copper, which supports nerve health and red blood cells, vitamin B12 for myelin and brain function, and selenium and zinc for immune and thyroid support. The pitfalls are butter baths and sodium. Choose plain fresh or frozen tails, steam or grill them, then finish with lemon, olive oil, and herbs. Try lobster over garlicky sautéed spinach or fold it into zucchini noodles with a squeeze of lemon. A palm-sized serving 3 to 4 ounces is perfect. Oysters are a mineral powerhouse with very low carbohydrate content. They deliver exceptional zinc, which supports insulin production and protects the beta cells in your pancreas. You also get abundant vitamin B12, selenium, copper, and iron nutrients that help immunity, wound healing, nerve repair, and antioxidant defense. Their omega-3s support blood vessels and lower triglycerides. If you are immune-compromised or have liver issues, choose cooked oysters to reduce risk. Bake, grill, or steam with lemon, herbs, and a vinegar-based mignonette. Skip sugary cocktail sauces and heavy breading. A serving is 3 to 6 oysters, depending on size. Crab is one of the cleanest proteins for steady glucose. Virtually zero carbs. About 16 to 17 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving, and very low fat with a small amount of omega-3s. It brings vitamin B12 for nerves, selenium, and zinc for antioxidant and immune support, plus phosphorus and copper for energy metabolism and bone health. Avoid imitation crab, which often contains added starch and sodium. Choose steamed, grilled, or lightly sautéed crab. Toss with avocado and lemon over mixed greens, fold into a vegetable omelet, or stuff into bell peppers with garlic and herbs. Keep the portion to 3 to 4 ounces. How to buy and cook shellfish. Saffel White. Choose reputable sources. For frozen products, look for short ingredient lists. Just the shellfish, water, and maybe salt. Keep sodium in check. Rinse canned or brined shellfish under cold water. Cook simply. Use olive oil, lemon, garlic, pepper, and fresh herbs. Avoid breading, sugary sauces, and heavy butter. Store and reheat smart. Refrigerate within 2 hours. Eat leftovers within 1 to 2 days, and reheat gently to avoid rubbery texture. Serving size, pairing, and glucose strthya for 2 to 4 shellfish meals per week. Keep portions to 3 to 4 ounces cooked. Build your plate in this order for the best glucose curve. Eat protein and non-starchy vegetables first, then slow carbs if you include them. Great sides include asparagus, broccoli, leafy salads, roasted peppers, zucchini, cauliflower rice, lentils in small portions, or half a cup of quinoa. Drink water before the meal and take a 10-minute walk after. Quick. Diabetes-friendly plats shrimp and greens. Sauté shrimp with garlic and olive oil. Serve over a big arugula and cucumber salad with lemon. Mussels bowl. Steamed mussels over cauliflower rice with parsley, capers, and a drizzle of olive oil. Lobster zoodles. Lobster tossed with zucchini noodles, lemon, and dill. Oysters 2 ways. Grilled oysters with lemon. Side of chopped tomato and parsley salad. Crab salad, lump crab, avocado, celery, and a spoon of plain Greek yogurt with lemon and dill. 7-day shellfish PL in Day 1. Shrimp with roasted broccoli and lemon. Day 2. Mussels in garlic broth with cauliflower rice. Day 3. Lobster over sautéed spinach with a side of quinoa, half a cup. Day 4. Oysters baked with herbs, plus a large mixed salad. Day 5. Crab and avocado salad with leafy greens. Day 6. Shrimp lettuce cups with cucumber and chili lime yogurt. Day 7. Your favorite from the week, repeated. Track your glucose 1 and 2 hours after meals to see your personal response. Finally, shellfish are not just okay for diabetes, they are strategic. With almost no carbohydrates, steady protein, and a deep bench of minerals and omega-3s. Shrimp, mussels, lobster, oysters, and crab help flatten spikes, protect nerves and vessels, and support long-term metabolic health. Keep the cooking simple, pair with fiber and healthy fats, and let the ocean do the rest. Tell me in the comments, which shellfish will you try first? And where in the world are you watching from? If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants steadier numbers without giving up flavor.